Welcome to Graceyland.
Hoppy, look! A glowing calendar! Wow, it's a magic week calendar! Every day is a brand new adventure. Come along, let's learn the days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday too. Thursday, Friday, just for you. Saturday, Sunday, clap and say 7 happy days. Hooray! Can you guess what day comes first? It's Monday. Monday morning, plant a seed. Give it water, watch with glee. Tiny flower bloom today. Happy, happy Monday! Hooray! What day comes after Monday? Tuesday. Tuesday colors, red and blue. Paint a rainbow, me and you. Brushes dancing bright today. Happy, happy Tuesday! Hooray! Can you guess the next day? Wednesday. Wednesday's here, let's visit the zoo. Wave to the monkey, the lion says woo! Tall giraffes smile all day. Happy, happy Wednesday! Hooray! What comes after Wednesday? Thursday. Thursday kites fly up high, floating softly through the sky. Catch the breeze, laugh and play. Happy, happy Thursday! Hooray! Can you tell me the next day? Friday. Friday, cookies mix and stir. Sweet, delicious treats for sure. Bake together, hip hooray! Happy, happy Friday! Hooray! What day comes after Friday?